Where basically it's how to make Bitcoin while you make Bitcoin. Is just how to make money while you make money. But people want to raise venture capital before they make money. And the VC's like, hey, how capital efficient are you with money? Which is learning how to learn, because that's it. Is a VC wants to see how capital efficient you are with no money before he gives you money, because if you can't be capital efficient with $20, $20 million is going to ruin you. And so how to make Bitcoin while you make Bitcoin via the decentralized book called The Bitcoin Wave is you can make money releasing one chapter of the book. Meaning you don't have to wait till, like, you can sell the one chapter. Chapter 8, I think I said, which is education. So you can sell the video coverage of chapter 8, because if your book is worth reading, it solved a problem. But if you don't know what problem it solved, you probably shouldn't be writing the book. Whereas the outlines are already written because I wrote it. So instead of how to make money while you make money, people would rather talk about a future legal structure of money that will never come in, versus trying to make $60 while you're en route to making $600,000. And this is the stuff that Peter Thiel didn't reveal when he went from 0 to 600K a bunch of times. Well, maybe once or maybe twice with the Stanford Law Review. Get it? It's the Harvard Law Review at Stanford. Like, that's a can't miss idea. It's not even an idea. It's a paste copy, which is chapter 3 of the book, The Bitcoin Wave. Paper and pasting and copying your way forward legally.